Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science Scholarship. First of all, talking about the benefit of that scholarship, selected scholars will be awarded an overall scholarship sum of up to Rs 2,50,000 for their academic expenses during graduation studies. The scholarship sum will be awarded in equal installments based on submission of proof against academic promotion with each passing year. Now talking about the program, L'Oreal India invites application from young women who have passed class 12th in 2021 and wish to pursue higher education in science. The scholarship will be granted to promising young women who are economically disadvantaged. Selected women scholars will receive financial aid to cover college fees for graduation studies in any scientific field at a recognized college or university in India. L'Oreal India is offering this scholarship with an objective to support and encourage young women for pursuing higher education in science stream. Now talking about the eligibility of that scholarship, all applicants need to fulfill the following eligibility condition. Women candidate who have passed class 12th in science stream from India in the academic year 2020 and 21 must have scored a minimum of 85% in PCM or PCB or PCMB in class 12th. Annual family income of the applicant should be less than Rs 4 lakh, should not exceed 19 years of age as on 31 May 2021, must be taking admission to undergraduate program in science related field in the academic year 2021 and 22. Note: students having 1 year gap after class 12th will not be considered. Also, the final selection would be subject to the submission of the admission letter from a recognized college or university in India. Documents required while applying for that scholarship. Following documents are mandatory for L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science Scholarship application. Attested copy of age proof, Aadhaar card or birth certificate or voter ID card. Self-attested copy of parents' income proof, income certificate issued by a government body. Marksheet of class 10th attested by the school authorities. Marksheet of class 12th attested by the school authorities. Now how can you apply? To apply, link is given in the description area. Log in to Buddy for Study with your registered ID and land onto the application form page. If not registered on Buddy for Study, register at Buddy for Study with your email, mobile number or Gmail account. Now you will be redirected to the L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science Scholarship application form page. Click on the Start Application button to begin the application process. Fill out all the required details in the online application form and upload the necessary documents. And at last read the terms and conditions and indicate your acceptance to move ahead towards submitting the application. And at last click on the preview. If all the details filled in the applications are correctly showing on preview screen, click on the submit button to complete the application process. Now talking about some of the frequently asked questions related to that scholarship. What is the selection process for L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science Scholarship? The selection of scholars for L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science Scholarship will be made on the basis of academic background, financial need, and the candidate's desire to shape her career. The selection will be a 3-step process, with each step being an elimination round. Step 1. Screening and shortlisting of applications along with document verification. Step 2. Telephonic interview with the candidate. Step 3. Jury round, which shall be an interview through video conferencing or video call with candidate. And at last, one of her parents or guardian would be required to attend the video calling round conducted by team from L'Oreal India. Final result will be announced within 20 days of completion of the 3rd step. Next question. What documents are required from the selected scholars for receiving the scholarship? Admission letter, fee receipt, student's own bank account number, PAN card copy or Aadhaar card copy, and the bank detail. And also the undertaking signed by scholar and either of her parents. Next question. Is the scholarship given as a loan? What if the amount required for education is less than 2.5 lakhs? The scholarship amount is paid in equal annual installments and is not given as a loan, while it does not have to be refunded by the recipient. It is subject to the student passing her exam. Students found to have submitted false information will have to refund the scholarship amount. Next question. How many scholarships have been granted till date? Till date, L'Oreal India has given more than 400 scholarships. Next question. In which field of science is this scholarship granted? This scholarship is open for graduation study in any field of science. Pure sciences, applied sciences, engineering, medical or any other graduate courses pertaining to science stream. Next question. I am a student of standard 10th. Am I eligible to apply for the scholarship? The scholarship is only for students who have appeared for their class 12th exam in the current academic year. Next question. I have given my HSC exam from Mumbai, but I am going to study in another state. Will I be eligible for the scholarship? Yes, as long as you fulfill the condition mentioned above, you are eligible for the scholarship to study in any recognized Indian university anywhere in India. Next and the last question is, I have done my HSC in a private institution. Am I eligible for the scholarship? Yes, you are eligible to apply as long as you fulfill the conditions mentioned above. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. I will see you in another video.